Yeah, today an operation is being conducted by Ghana Police, especially the traffic police, on the borders in Spoti City. The operations is to ascertain exactly whether or not many borders have got riding licenses or call them permits, and also insurance for their motorbicycles.
RCC Ebuga Soroti Peter Pex Park ngesi Kenya ki Ibodai be arai Emameotor keda abaluananu aswam keche epote aichake munekori.
So but you discover many of our people just go on train on their own. They discover to ride or drive, and then they also purchase these motorcycles. Some of them do not even put the right number plates in these motorcycles. Some of them actually have the right number plates. Others do not even bother to do insurance with their properties. And yet all these form part of the revenues for national development. So in the circumstances, an operation is supposed to be instituted, and it was instituted today. All motorcycle riders, all, not only borders, all must have reflector jackets, must put on reflector jackets.
Ayatakitnyesi ebe lu Emameotor aiwadi kaeta mam epota jautoroto aswam.
The highest number of accidents were caused by borders. Many of them do not have licenses. Most of them don't have permits. Most of those motorcycles are not insured. They don't pay revenue to government, but they want to enjoy government services. So if you want to do business, then you must follow the procedures. The legal requirements must be fulfilled for you to proceed with your business. So we don't have any shortcut. There's no option but to advise those concerned to fulfill the legal requirements. Have a permit, license, insurance, and then you move on with your business.
Kwenye Ibodai kesi engai tosa pugani achamakin kesa park na aimana kwape kopekwa na etionore dumunelo ikapun.
Yeso na teka jaido soero na kopane ngalo no keris. Na wote rukia sisani keri so do ngese nyamere edo la nya kidwe somero ekami piki na rejende beka mne piki la kuna bona bona. Jaido so isoro no kana kibire so na pugana bala piki. Jata le so na keni duwe le so mete. Merebedo le so mero. Ngese ipolisi na Aikam ado so wa do muni kuna ndwanja kare kise mero.
Kwa tuna ya utapugani nguna koto driving permit, insurance element reflector ejo kakiro konyero ko pana je pola pakeke sare bere tiberiti moto so bere amana tabera agmundi so da bolo man tiboro mun koni boro kapaka na so tilago
nga do muti boro mun ajengo da so mi bore bakasi ki wes magoli ara boti ai jara na tabi to choikina jo ite pone ko to request o choikina do jo da ngapiri bar reflector bol to nyima mete luche mun kere process mun ko sika mun kere so biti bala atoroti apugan na kamanara kere so sike na right is
they are aware of these requirements. We have always communicated to them in various meetings. So there is no more time. They were given enough time, and their time is up.
Kanuka TV East, Alfred Atuau, Kobuga Soroti.